Good morning, my friends. What is happening out there in the good world of fishing? Beyond the Fly here, eating some beef jerky. So what we're dealing with here, I'm not sure of the local code, if I should name names, but what you're looking at here with me this morning on what is hopefully shaping up to be a spectacular edition of Beyond the Fly. We're in the state of Utah, my friends, and I'm just gonna say it. It is what it is. It's public knowledge, it's on the internet. So it must be true. We're at the Provo River. Beautiful summer day. It's been a long week. Really in need of some fly fishing therapy. What better way than to come out, watch a hatch-a-mole, see some new water in a new state, and get our Euro Nymphing game on. So for the first time, we're gonna Euro Nymph the Provo River, my friends. Let's get down on it. Finally got one here. Hey, friend. Beautiful guy. Till next time. Such a cool fish. Thank you. Found some frog fanny. That'll work. Okay, so that stretch was pretty cool there, just to check out, explore something new. Got a couple in the net, so not completely skunked. The bottom's just super trashy. There's a lot of downed trees and bushes and stuff from the runoff that are stuck on the bottom, so I'm losing a ton of flies. But yeah, there's one more spot. I think it's like 10 minutes away, and check that spot out and see if we can put a couple more in and just scope some water while we're here. Stay tuned. All right, so here we are, spot 2. Not sure exactly where to go. There are so many people here, it's unbelievable. So just gonna try to find a spot. Dang mosquitoes. To get in the water here and see if we can't find a fish or two to chase. Scrapper. Hello, friend. Oh. Lost you just in time. This right here, this is what I've been looking for. I will give you one thing right now, man. The Provo is technically, your short game better be at an A+ rating, my friend. A+. And if you got a good short game, life's gonna be good here for you. Let's get after it here, see what we can pull out of here. All right, so that's going to be a wrap for us today from the Provo River. What an outstanding time on the water. What a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful place to fish. Really love the Utah vibe. A lot of people out with guides. A lot of people. So it kind of reminds me of Deckers back home, Colorado. But overall, covered a lot of water here in a couple hours. Definitely made a nice mental roadmap of what's happening. Put a lot of fish in the net. Nothing of any, great size, but don't even care. Doesn't even matter when you're catching that many fish and having fun and being out in Mother Nature. Just getting some good fly fishing therapy in. That's what it's all about right there. But yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed today's edition from the Provo. Just quick recap. It's technical. Your short game, if you're going to Euro Nymph, you got to have an A+ rating on your short game. If you've got that, you're going to do okay. So yeah, the winning setup was a 3.3 gold bead head red dart. That got it done. And then I got a couple on a smaller pheasant tail as well. But yeah, overall, love it. What a great first time. Absolutely blessed to be out here. Really enjoyed the day and the time. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Appreciate all you have supported the channel and all the likes that keep coming in, all the comments, and all you subscribers out there. Appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. Thanks for being a part of this and hanging out on another episode of Beyond the Fly. Till next time, my friends, stay fishy, tight lines, and be kind out there. Thanks for watching.